Hi, welcome back. This section is about enrolling and managing devices into Config Manager Current Branch. In this section, we will learn how to enroll devices. We will cover iOS, Android and Windows devices. In this video, we're going to look at enrolling devices. In this video, we're going to take a look at what we need to do before we can enroll devices and how we are able to enroll devices. So what do we need to be able to enroll a device into Intune? For iOS and Android, we need to have the company portal. It's normally a user-driven process, which the user needs to do itself. Also, if you have devices that are used by more than one user, you can use a device enrollment manager. That role exists in Config Manager and Intune, and a device enrollment manager can enroll up to 1,000 devices. We saw in an earlier video that we can configure a normal user to enroll devices up to 15. For Windows, it's a bit different. We don't need to use the company portal to enroll devices. We can either workplace join a device with automatic MDM enrollment, or we can Azure AD join the device, also with automatic MDM enrollment. In this video, we just look at the first option, to workplace join a device, which is basically bring your own device. In one of the next videos, we will have a look at Azure AD join and see how we can manage Windows 10 devices. So let's quickly have a look at, for instance, the left device. It's an iOS device. So if I want to enroll my iOS device, I need to go to the App Store and look for the company portal. I need to install it. Next, I need to log in with my credentials. So this is Frank. So I need to log on with my corporate credentials. This is Frank, in this case, at hybridcm.onmicrosoft.com. This user has a super secret password, which you don't want to use in production, and we need to sign in. You see that the company access setup page is been shown. The user needs to do two things. First of all, needs to enroll the device, and the device needs to be compliant. In this step, we will only enroll the device, and we'll have a look at device compliance in a later video. The user is guided, so there's explained why you need to enroll the device and what will happen. So we care about your privacy, and the user is able to see what is shared and what is not shared with the company. So we continue and enroll the device. We need to install the management profile. We need to supply the PIN, install, and install the MDM profile again. And we're done. So next we want to open the company portal, and the device is enrolled, and it's compliant for now, since we don't have installed any compliance policies. So from here we are able to access apps and see how our device is doing. It's now checking compliance, but that should be okay. So on the Android device, on the right side, we need to go to the Play Store. Again, we need to look for the company portal, and we need to install this. After the company portal has been installed, we need to open it and basically follow the same process. We need to sign in. So here you see that for Android it's almost the same experience. The user is explained why we need to enroll and that Microsoft cares about the privacy. So we click Enroll, and we need to activate the device administrator for the company portal. If you have Samsung Knox, we need to confirm the privacy statement and the device is enrolled successfully. You see that currently 2 devices are enrolled. To allow a Windows Phone to be automatically enrolled into Intune, we want to configure the Microsoft Intune app in Azure. So to allow the Windows Phone 10 to be automatically enrolled into Microsoft Intune, we want to configure automatic enrollment in the Microsoft Intune app in Azure AD. So here we are back in the Azure AD console. We open it and go to Applications. Here you see the Microsoft Intune app. This is automatically created. We need to open the properties and go to Configure. Here you see that the MDM URLs are automatically added. So what we only need to do is to apply manage device for these users, apply to all users or to a specific group. In our case, we use a specific group and use the cloud users, like we used also assigning the license. We click Save and we're ready to go. So for the Windows 10 device in the middle, we need to go to Settings. And next we need to go to Settings, and next we need to go Accounts. Next step is to tap Access Work or School. And here we click on Connect. Here we provide our email address. Again, the same address we used earlier. And we need to supply the password. And we're set to go. So, a quick tip. How do we project the devices on the screen? If you want a demo in your company, we can use for Windows the Project My Screen app. For iOS I use Reflector, and for Android I currently also use Reflector too. But you can also use TeamViewer. In this video we learned how to enroll devices into Intune. Also, we know how to configure auto-enrollment into Intune for Windows 10.